Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're taking a look at a 2018 Honda CR-V Touring all-wheel drive. Under the hood we have a 1.5 liter i4 engine and a CVT transmission automatic. This guy's in a nice red-orange color. It looks great. You get the chrome accenting up front with your Honda badging, as well as you get your lights there and down there. Coming around the side here, we do have our 18-inch rims with our Hankook brand tires. Those rims look fantastic, and there's lots of tread left on them as well. You do have your heated exterior mirrors right there with the turning signal, and coming all the way around to the back, we got that all-wheel drive badging, the Touring CR-V, as well as you do have your backup camera right there. Open it up just right here. It is an automatic open, just like that. Looks great. Definitely helps you if you got your hands full. Lots of room back here as well. You do got the cover up here if you want to use that. As well, you can fold this up and you got your spare tire just underneath there. You do have some speakers back here as well, and you can fold those seats forward right here and here. Okay, we have our keys here. 2 presses to unlock all the doors, 1 press to lock them. We got that guy to open up the back, our panic button there. And we do also have this guy for our remote start. Sounds great. Definitely helps out in the winter, get it nice and warm for you. Now, as well, let's unlock and let's take a look on the inside here. So on the door here, you do have electric mirrors, windows, and locks all right here. You got your seat memory here, some nice wood accenting on there, a handle here, and some storage down here. Leather seats, very nice and comfortable. You do have the controls over the seats right here, so backward and forward, as well as the tilt and the lumbar support. And then over here we do have our collision detection, as well as our lane departure. Let's focus a little bit better. You got your heating for your windshield wipers. You also have your traction control and your control over the back. And then up here we do have the controls over the lights. So we got our auto, off, daytime running lights and low beams, as well as we do have our turning signals and high beams. It is a push to start, so foot on the brake, press the button, and it starts right out for us. Now right in the center here we do have our speedometer and our odometer, as well as our fuel gauge and engine temperature. In the center there it does tell us how many kilometers we have, which is only 10,000, not too many at all. You also got what gear we're in, the channel we're on, and all sorts of different stuff. You can switch that around to our music. You have your phone options. You can switch it for miles. You got your gas there, as well as your navigation, and you do have all sorts of different options to switch through in there, all sorts of different guys. That's all controlled from your steering wheel here. You got a volume up and down right there. As well, you do have your Bluetooth options. That one switches the screen. You have your horn in the center and your cruise control options right here. Heated steering wheel. Then you got those guys there as well. And over here we do have the control over our windshield wipers. And then right in the center here we do have our touchscreen display. It does look great. You do have all sorts of different guys, so you can hit the home button there. You do have all sorts of different apps. You got your audio, your navigation, phone, all sorts of stuff. You can hit up here and you got your map right there. You can see we are in Rec Place. You have your audio options right there. You can see through your source that you do have FM, AM, Sirius XM. You do have your Bluetooth, as well as your your USB and all that. You got your phone options here if you have one hooked up through your Bluetooth. Your back button there, and then your nighttime and daytime for your brightness. You got your volume up and down right over here. And then down in the climate control, we have a dual climate system for you and your passengers, so you can have different levels of hot or cold. Power here, climate there. You have your on-off, you have your circulation, as well as your front and rear defrost. Heated seats down here and here. Then you got your electronic parking brake, that guy there, the brake hold, as well as you got your gear shift here. When you are in reverse, you have that ever useful backup camera, keeping you nice and safe. A little bit hard to see there. Turn that up. Looks great. You can also change the view of it like that. You can see all sorts of different stuff to help you park. And then down here we do also have the econ mode. You got some storage here with a little power outlet. You got your cup holders. You have some storage right here. You can open that guy up, and there's even more down there with some USB plugins. Then you can also open up this guy. Lots of room in there. And then over here we do have a locking glove box. Lots and lots of room in the glove box as well. Up top you got universal garage door opener. You do have your sunglass holder and the control over the sunroof, and it is a massive dual pane sunroof. It looks great. Okay, let's take a look in the back here. Open this guy up. On the door you have that same wood accenting handle here, control over your windows, as well as you have your heated seats, handle here, and some storage down here. Looks great in here as well. Very comfortable. The leather seats are very nice. You can fold this guy down. You do have your armrests right there with some cup holders, and you can fold those seats forward as I showed you earlier. And there's our 1.5 liter i4 engine. Well, that does it for my walk around video of the 2018 Honda CR-V Touring. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.